front, you know, around the fan. Yeah, that I know, but yeah, but it's a massive, right? This fan is so powerful. Color, yeah, welded flush to the housing, and then we use a ring, you know, and then attach the foam and then push the ring in. Actually, a slightly bigger foam will even better, but I can use duct tape to, you know, to make it work. Cover all. Tomorrow gonna test it. I sealed over here. I sealed seal all the gaps around, and also the other side. This side, this side. I'll seal with silicone. Yeah, so tomorrow we'll test it. Why there's okay building up? Yeah, the strange one side is more powerful than the other one. Don't know why. Oh, this side is strange. Once you have unbalanced, it's leaking from somewhere. Okay, from the top. Okay, I have to fix that problem. Okay, yep. Turn on. Get ready. Go. I need to build up pressure.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, look at
I see it. Look at that.
Look at that.
It's nice and quiet.
Nice.
Nice. I think you might be running out of liquid a little bit because
this side got more uniform.
Yeah.
But this side, for some reason, you see, that's what I call unbalanced. Not much. See, I see more air.
Yeah.
More air coming from this.
My. Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Yeah, that's fantastic.
And it's moving pretty quickly. I mean, I could see where, it wouldn't take forever to fill up.
Oh, it takes us minutes. It just takes a couple minutes and it'll be full.
Yes.
That's awesome.
Oh, is that Tim there? Ah, that's Tim.
See, this side is more uniform. But that side, for some reason,
That's interesting.
Yep, that's
Must be the way, must be the way it's blowing. That's
Now we'll continue to refine a little bit, but that's basically already got it. You know, it's,
yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Well, the next phase, when you see it going into the cavity, into the wall space, that's really amazing.
Mr. Bubbles.
Right. I could do this.
Hi, Richard.
Hi, Tim. Got a bubble hat.
Yeah.
So you got it figured out.
Yeah. Want to try it? You want to take a look? Look at this side. That side is not as. This side is so. That.
Seems better now.
Yeah.
Well, because the accumulation of liquid. But after a while, that side is there's an unbalance. This is this side is always steady. That side, for some reason, I don't know.
Interesting. Yeah, we'll figure it out. Well, you'll figure it out.
Yeah, that's an excellent beginning. It's practically as good as any machine I've ever built.
That you've seen?
Huh? Yeah. I find maybe some leakage of air through the foam probably better. Maybe just get the air flow maybe. So next time I think
is the bubble, is that shareable, or do you want to wait? I'm trying to get people excited about this, but
we're sharing this all the time.
Okay.
I think that tomorrow we'll do a demo where we'll invite more people, to see it. And I want to invite Corin and Salim in Bermuda to look at it tomorrow. They were asking to have one of these bubble shower for bubble fun events, on the 13th, I think it is, the 13th of May. So I don't know how if we can get it to them that fast, but
make a bubble crown.
How about that?
Wow, lots of fun.
You've been crowned Mr. Bubbles.
Crowned by Richard Nelson.
You are.
This is the same setup. I just changed to a smaller fan. The smaller CI fan.